guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a AM radio with snap circuits. The first thing you want to do is you want to gather up your parts. So here's the parts that you'll need. So these are the parts you'll need. So you'll need a battery holder, 2 of them, and then you'll need an amplifier, you'll need your speaker, you'll need these capacitors, C2, C1, and C3, and then you'll need this CV, which is kind of like you can turn it. And this is the transistor you'll need. This is kind of the same thing as this, except it can slide side to side. And this is our on-off switch. And this is the antenna coil we'll be using to get the signal. This is the resistor. These are the resistors that you'll need. So that's all you'll need, and you're gonna need some snap wires. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your battery holder and put it right on the, you want to put it on the bottom right here. Okay, so I'm going to actually move it right here a bit. Okay, and that seems just right. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and put it right here. And then after you do that, you want to take the 3 snap wire and put it right here. Okay. Once you do that, you want to take your slide switch. And then you just want to put it right here. You want to take the amplifier and put it right here. And that's pretty simple. And then once you do that, you want to take your speaker and then just put it right here. So that's pretty simple. And then you want to take this 2 snap wire, put it right here. Take your 7 snap wire and put it right here, right underneath it. And then actually what we'll do is, so I'll actually put this right underneath, and then I'll put this. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll take a 3 snap wire and put it right here. And then we'll put this right on top. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to take your C1 capacitor, and then you just want to put it right here. And then once you do that, you want to take a 4. You're going to take the 4, and then you just want to stretch it across right here. Okay. So, and then you want to take your antenna coil, and then you want to also take your transistor, and then you just want to put it right here. So you just want to put it right here. And then you'll take the antenna coil, put it right here, and then you want to take a 2 snap wire and put it in just like this. Okay. So what you want to do next is you want to take your CV, and then you want to put this right here. And now you want to take a 1 snap wire and put it right here. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take a R5 and put it right here. And you want to take a 2 transistor, put it right here, and then you want to get your R4 transistor, not a transistor, a resistor, and put it right there. And now you want to take another one and put it right here, another 2 and put it right here. After you do that, you want to just do this, and yeah, and then once you do that, okay, now you want to take your RV and then just put it right here. And then you want to just, okay. And then once you do that, you just want to take you want to take that off, you want to do this. Okay, so once you do that, you want to flip this over. You want to take this over, and then this would actually be flipped. And then you want to put this right here, and then this right here, this right here. And then I'll put the speaker back on, and then this. Okay. So once that you've done that, you'll just put this right here. You take a 1 and you'd put it right here. Okay. And you just put it right here. Okay. Actually, we'll put this before we do that. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So once you do that, you want to put this right here. Okay, so now our circuit is almost ready. We only have to do one more thing until it's completely ready, and that is take this and put it right here. And you just want to take this and put it right here. Okay, so once you've done that, you just want to take a 3 and a 2. So I'll just put them together, and then you'll get something like this. So you just want to turn it, and then you actually need to take this, put it right here, and then you want to do this. Okay, you just want to do this, and then put this right there, and put this on top. And if I put this right here, now our circuit is completely ready, and now it's ready to use, and now we can use it. So I'll just turn it on. Now you can actually hear something. So I'll just turn it. So it doesn't really work that well. At the beginning, for me, it actually just went kind of loud and then came back. So you can hear a person kind of mumbling. So this is the maximum I can actually turn it. So you might be able to hear some noise. So this is how you change the volume. So now you can't hear anything. And if we go up, you can't really hear anything. But here, so yeah, the connection isn't that good, so you can kind of hear stuff. So yeah, so it doesn't work this isn't the best radio that you could really get, so I'm just gonna turn it on. So this isn't really the best radio. It's it mumbles and you can't really hear it that well. So, but maybe if you're connected to a tower that's closer to you, a radio tower, then you can maybe hear it better. And AC means it can go across the world. FM is only like a 50 kilometer or 50 kilometer radius. So this is how you make a AM radio with snap circuits, and I hope you liked watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!